Start with the simplest checks you can do yourself to restore hot water fast. If you have an electric water heater, first go to your electrical panel and look for a tripped circuit breaker serving the heater. Firmly switch it all the way off, then back on to reset. If your home uses fuses, inspect the fuse for the water heater and replace it if the filament is broken or the glass looks cloudy. Next, set the heater's thermostat to a safe and effective level, typically between 120 and 125 degrees, and make sure the small reset button on the upper thermostat has not popped out. Press it gently to reset power. Listen for any humming or sizzling that could suggest an electrical issue and stop if anything smells burnt. For gas units, confirm the gas supply valve near the heater is in the open position, then check the pilot. If it is out, follow the manufacturer's lighting instructions with the area well ventilated and a long lighter, and wait several minutes if you recently turned off the gas so residual gas can dissipate safely. Finally, scan for visible leaks around the tank, drain valve, and piping. Feel for unusually hot spots on the exterior that could indicate sediment buildup, and note any error lights on newer units, then consult the manual to interpret them. The first common mistake is overlooking the circuit breaker or fuse after a power surge. A quick reset or replacement often restores heating, and if it trips again, stop and call a professional, because that points to a deeper electrical fault. The second mistake is relighting a pilot without checking the gas valve position and ventilation. Always verify the valve is open. Clear the area for a few minutes, and use the exact lighting steps from the heater's label to avoid repeated outages. The third mistake is cranking the thermostat far above 125 degrees in hopes of faster recovery. Keep it at a safe temperature. Flush a few gallons from the drain valve to reduce sediment, and stagger hot water use to allow the tank to recover. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easy for homeowners to connect with local contractors for water heater diagnostics and repairs, and for contractors to find real jobs in their area. We also host a discussion community where people share troubleshooting tips, ask questions, and learn from others' experiences, helping you decide when a quick check is enough or when it is time to bring in a pro.